ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शाकल्य ब्राह्मण पेज number 893. So when Shakalya was instigated by Yajnavalkya ji, when Yajnavalkya ji said, पृष्टः यत् त्वया पृष्टः हे शाकल्य सः एष देवः, that is this deva sharirah, which is matraja kosha traya rupa. Matraja kosha, so we saw twang mamsa rudhira rupa. Then he said, but there is something vishesha, kintu asti tatra vaktavyam visheshanantaram, and that you asked me like that. So then he saha evam prakshobhitah amar shavashaga. Yesterday that shabda came avayavashaha vakyam yojayati. Shash pratyay is there. Page number 890. Tika, last line. Avayavashaha vakyam yojayati. Everybody found?
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the sutra? In the morning class, I gave the sutra in Sarva Vedanta class.
Could not find Swamiji.
But I gave the answer. I gave the number also.
Number Swamiji did not give.
Anybody else? Nobody. Sankhyaikavachanacha vipsayam. This is the sutra. Three, 1, 5 or something I guess. No. 5, 4, 43. 5, 4, 43. Sankhyaikavachanacha vipsayam. तोत्रार्दित इव गजः. Gajah, like an elephant who is totrena, totra vetrai kapanaye, how we say that totra ardita, by that pained. This Shakalya was pained by Yagnavalkya's taunt, if you want to call it. So now we see further. तस्य देवस्य शारीरस्य का देवता यस्मान् निष्पद्यते यः सा तस्य देवता इत्यस्मिन् प्रकरणे विवक्षितम्. तस्य देवस्य शारीरस्य का देवता. शारीर शरीर रूप. Who is the devata? Yasman nishpadyate. From that, this Purusha is called Nishpatti Karta. Tika Prakaranikam Devata Shabdartham Aha Yasmat. Prakaranikam. So Prakarana Vivakshitam Devata Shabdam. Devata Shabda in this topic, this discussion, you should understand Devata as Karanam. Yasman nishpadyate yaha sa tasya devata. That from which something nishpadyate, something is attained, accomplished. So yasmat, third number tippani, karanat. So devata will be karanam. Sa tasya devata, sa tasya karanam iti asmin prakarane vivakshitam. Purusho nishpatti karta shasthya uchyate. Purusha is nishpatti karta, is indicated by shashthi bhakti. Shasthya uchyate. Lohita nishpatti hetutvam anna rasasya anubhavena sadhayati. Lohita nishpatti hetutvam. The mothers and fathers together seed forms a child. The mother's part is called Lohita. Shonita, otherwise known as Shonita, is here referred as Lohita. Shukra Shonita Sanyogat. So Shukra is from father. Shonita or Lohita is mothers. Lohita Nishpatti Hetutvam Anna Rasasya Anubhavena Sadhayati. Anna Rasasya Anubhavena. Tasmat. Before that in Bhashya. Amritam iti hovacha. Hovachamritam it should be. Hovacha is given. Amritam iti hovachamritam iti यो भुक्तस्य अन्यस्य रसो मातृजस्य लोहितस्य निष्पत्ति हेतुस् तस्माद् हि अन्नरसाद् लोहितं निष्पद्यते. स्त्रियां श्रितं ततश्च लोहितमयं शरीरं बीजाश्रयं समानमन्यत्. अमृतम भुक्तस्य अन्यस्य रसः. That annam which is bhuktam, it's rasaha. What is that? The essence of food that I eat is matrujasya lohitasya nishpatti hetu. Is the cause by which the matruja, koshatraya, will be produced. Tika. Lohitat द्वितीय पदार्थ निष्ठात् तत्कार्यं त्वं मांस रुधिर रूपम बीजस्य अस्थि मज्जा शुक्रात्मकस्य आश्रयभूतं भवति इत्यर्थः. अस्थि मज्जा शुक्र is the pitru koshatrayam. Twang mamsa rudhira is matru koshatrayam. In that Tvang Mansa Rudira, Asthi Majja Shukra will be associated. So Ashraya Bhuta is Matraja Kosha. Lohitam Nishpadyate Striyam Shritam. It is Ashritam in Stri. Striyam Shritam. Tatasya Lohitamayam Shariram Bijashrayam. So that Lohitamayam Shariram Bijashrayam. 8 number टिप्पणी ननु एवं उक्त अमृतस्य शरीर हेतुत्वे अपि कथम इदम अमृतम शारीरस्य हेतुरित्याशंक्य. So how this is the sharirasya hetu, katham this amritam sharirasya hetu iti ashankya samahitam vartike rasad shonita nishpattihi shonitad bija samshrayat shariram jayate sakshat yena sharira uchyate iti. साक्षात् इति प्रत्यक्ष योग्यत्वम् उच्यते येन शरीर तादात्म्येन इति यावत्. रसात् शोणि निष्पत्तिः. रस is anna rasa. From that anna rasa shonita nishpatti, the matru kosha. Shonitad, shonita which is the ashraya for bija. Shonitad bija samshrayat shariram jayate. From that mother's koshatraya which is the ashraya for pitru koshatraya, from that sharira is born. And therefore it is called sharira. इति साक्षात् इति प्रत्यक्ष योग्यत्वम् उच्यते येन शरीर तादात्म्येन, because of शरीर तादात्म्य. टीका उत्तर पर्यायेषु. हाँ, नो, वन मोर थिंग, वन मोर लाइन इज देयर. हाँ, पर्याय सप्तकम आद्य पर्यायेण तुल्यार्थत्वात् न पृथक व्याख्यान अपेक्षम इत्याह समानम अन्यत्. This is the first paryaya. There will be 6 more paryayas. So total there are 7. Paryaya saptakam. Paryayanam saptakam. Paryaya saptakam. So 7 will be there. This is the first paryaya. In all of them, the pattern of question answer will be same. So here Bhagwan Bhashyakar has explained in detail. Hereafter, they all are same. Only what are new words, only that much he will explain, rest he will leave. So, na prithak vyakhyana apeksham. In the later paryayas, prithak vyakhyana will not be given. उत्तर पर्यायेषु येषां पदानाम् अर्थभेदस् तेषां तत्कथनार्थं प्रतीकं गृह्णाति. In the उत्तर पर्याय येषां पदानाम् अर्थभेद, where the padas have arthabheda, only those are the vishesha pada, that much will be explained. Tat kathanartham pratikam granhati. Now, mantra. काम एव यस्यायतनं हृदयं लोको मनो ज्योतिर्यो वैतं पुरुषं विद्यात् सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणम् स वै वेदिता स्यात् याज्ञवल्क्य वेद वा अहं तं पुरुषं सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणम् यमात्थ य एवायं काममयः पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवतेति स्त्रिय इति होवाच. काम एव यस्य आयतनम. Kama is the ayatanam of whose, and Hridayam Lokaha, Hridaya is the Loka, Mana is the Jyoti. The one who knows that Purusha, Yo Vai Tam Purusham Vidya, he knows Sarvasya Atmanaha Parayanam Sa Vai Vedita. So that Purusha, someone who knows that Purusha as Parayana of all. Sarvasya means all Karya Karana Adhyatmika Samohasya. Savai Vedita. He is actual knower. Yajnavalkya, you are not. Yajnavalkya, Vedava. So Yajnavalkya says, yes, Vedava Aham Tam Purusham. I know that. Sarvasya Atmanaha Parayanam. Yam Atha. That which you spoke. Ya Evayam Kamamayaha Purushaha. That Purusha is Kamamaya Purusha. Sa Esha Vada Eva Shakalya. Yajnavalkya ji is again saying, ask more, there is more to be known. So he said, Tasya ka devata, who is the devata of that? Devata of that Kamamaya Purusha. Earlier it was Annarasamaya Purusha. Now this is Kamamaya. So he says, Striya iti hovacha. Devata means Karanam. Karanam is Stri is the Karanam for a person to manifest as Kamamaya Purusha. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Swami. Ashya. काम एव यस्य आयतनम स्त्री व्यतिकराभिलाषः कामः कामशरीर इत्यर्थः. He desired to have union with स्त्री व्यतिकर अभिलाषा. That is called kama. That is kama sharira. वाक्यार्थम आह काम शरीर इत्यर्थः. Further in Bhashya, Hridayam Loko, Hridayena Buddhya Pashyati. Hridaya means Buddhi. By Buddhi he knows this. Tika. Sacha Hridaya Darshano Manasa Sankalpayita iti Purvavat. Hridayena Darshanam means Hridaya Darshanaha Manasa Sankalpayita. He will first do Sankalpa. That Sankalpa is through mind. Hridayam Loko, second number tippani, Hridaya Deshastha Buddhi. Lokaha means Lokana Sadhanam Chakshu. So Buddhi here you can take as the Pramata who will know this. Such a Hridaya Darshana Manasa Sankalpayita iti Purovat. Tasya Visheshanam. So Sankalpayita is there. Sankalpayita means that Pramata who has now Sankalpa. Tasya Visheshanam Darshayati Ya eva ayam Kamamaya Purusho Adhyatmamapi Kamamaya eva tasya Ka Devata iti Striya iti hovacha. This Purusha is Adhyatmika Kamamaya Purusha, who is the Devata of that. देवता मीन्स कारणम पृच्छति इन टीका। तस्य का देवता इति स्त्रिय इति होवाच। तस्य तस्याः तत्कारणत्वम् अनुभवेन व्यनक्ति। अनुभव इज देयर व्हाट स्त्रीतः ही कामस्य दीप्तिर्जायते। फ्रॉम स्त्री ए काम इज प्रज्वलित और ग्रोन वृद्धि। फर्दर नाउ रूपाण्येव यस्यायतनं चक्षुर्लोको मनो ज्योतिर यो वै तं पुरुषं विद्यात् सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणं स वै वेदिता स्यात्। याज्ञवल्क्य वेद वा अहं तं पुरुषं सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणं यमाथ य एवासावादित्ये पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवतेति सत्यमिति होवाच। रूपाणि एव यस्य आयतन, all rupas are the ayatanam of that purusha. Chakshur lokaha manojyotihi yovaitam purusham vidyat. The one who knows that purusha sarvasya atmanaha parayanam savai veditasya. The one who is the parayanam of all the atmas means karyakarana sanghata. He is the real knower, Yajnavalkya. In other words, you don't know that. He says, Vedava aham tam purusham. I know that. Sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. Yam atha. The one which you spoke of, I know. What is that? Yaha eva asau aditya purusha. He is the purusha in the aditya, Surya. Sa esha. Vadeva shakalya. Ask more now. You didn't ask everything about it. So he says, Shakalya say, Tasya ka devata, Yajnavalkya ji will say, Satyamiti. Rupani eva yasya ayatanam. Rupani Shukla Krishna adini. Shukla Krishna adi rupa yasya ayatanam. Yasya aditya devasya. Ayatanam means shariram. य एव असौ आदित्य पुरुषः सर्वेषां हि रूपाणां विशिष्टं कार्यम् आदित्ये पुरुषस्तस्य का देवता इति। सर्वेषां हि रूपाणां विशिष्टं कार्यम्। He is the Vishishta Karya of all the Rupa, which is Aditya, Sitika. Rupa Sharirasya Chakshur Darshanasya. Rupa is a Sharira, Darshana happens through Chakshu. Manasa Sankalpaituhu Devasya. Katham Aditya Purusho Visheshanam. How do you say Aditya in the Aditya Surya Mandala? Is that Purusha Visheshanam iti ashankya? Aha Sarvesham hi Rupanam Vishishtam Karyam Aditya Purusha. For all Rupa, the Vishishta Karyam is the Purusha in the Aditya. Means all Rupa Abhimani Devata is Aditya Purusha. Rupa Matra Abhimanino Devasya Aditya Purusho Visheshavachhedaha. Rupa Matra Abhimaninaha Devasya. Sacha Sarva Rupa Prakashakatvat Sarvai Rupaihi Swaprakashanaya Arabdhaha. Sarva Rupa Prakashakatvat. He is the Sarva Rupa Prakashaka. Sarvaihi Rupaihi Visarga लोप इज देयर. सर्वैः रूपैः विसर्ग रोरी सूत्र. स्वप्रकाशनाय आरब्ध. So Aditya illumines all rupas. Sarva rupa prakashakatvat. By all rupa, sarvai rupaihi swaprakashanaya arabdha. Each rupa, when it becomes known, means Aditya is there, because of which this is illumined. Tasmad yuktam yathoktam visheshanam. So sarvesham rupanam vishishtam karyam is Aditya Purusha. कथम चक्षुषः सकाशात् आदित्यस्य उत्पत्तिः इति आशंक्य चक्षोः सूर्यो अजायत इति श्रुतिमाश्रित्य आह. How in the presence of Chakshu Adityasya Utpatti? Because Aditya, from Aditya alone, from Virat Purusha's Chakshu, Surya Utpatti has happened. Chakshuho Shashti, Panchami. From that Virat Purusha's Chakshu, Surya Utpatti has happened. Therefore, Chakshushaha Sakashat Adityasya Utpatti. Ka devata in Bhashya Satyam. Satyam iti Chakshurujyate. Why do you say Chakshu as Satyam? Because when you see something, then alone you believe. So if I have seen it, then I will believe. And then for me, that is the truth. Therefore, that's why Chakshu is Satyam. Chakshusho hi adhyatmata adityasya adhidaivatasya nishpattihi. Chakshusho hi adhyatmata adityasya adhidaivatasya. From Chakshu adhyatmata adityasya adhidaivatasya nishpatti. From adhyatma adidaiva nishpatti means utpatti. आकाश एव यस्यायतनं श्रोत्रं लोको मनोर्ज्योतिर्यो वै तं पुरुषं विद्यात् सर्वस्यात्मनः परायणं. Parayanam, that anuswara is missing. Savai vedita syat Yajnavalkya vedava aham tam purusham सर्वस्यात्मनः परायणं यमाथ य एवायं श्रौत्रः प्रातिश्रुतकः पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवतेति दिश इति होवाच. Next is Akasha is the ayatanam of that Purusha. Akasha eva yasya ayatanam. Shrotram loko mano jyoti. Shrotra is the loka, mana is the jyoti. Yo vai tam purusham vidyat sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. The one who knows that Purusha as sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. Savai vedita syat. He is the vedita. Yajnavalkya. Vedava aham tam purusham sarvasya. So Yajnavalkya ji says, I know that Purusha. What is that? Sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. Yam atha ya evayam shrautraha pratishrutkaha purushaha. Sa esha. Vada eva shakalya. Ask more. Vada here, in all these paryaya, what is the meaning of vada?
Ask.
Prucha. Ask. Vada means prucha. Vada means prucha, ask more. Eva shakalya. Tasya ka devata दिश इति होवाच. याज्ञवल्क्य will say दिश. दिश is the devata. आकाश एव यस्य आयतनम य एवायम श्रोत्रे भवः श्रौत्रः. Shrotre bhava, that which is there in the ears, Shrotra. Chakshusha means Chakshushi bhava. Tatrapi Pratishravana Velayam Visheshato Bhavati iti. Pratishravana, when the echo is there. Because for echo you need disha, direction. That's why disha iti hovacha. Digbhyo hi asau adhyatmiko nishpadyate. Pratishrutka is the Pratishrutka Shabda, its devata is Disha. Ika. Tatrapi iti shrotroktihi. In that also. Pratishravanam samvadaha. Prativishayam shravanam va. Sarvani shravanani va. Pratishravanam means this. Actually it is the echo. But in Tippani it is given samvada. In Tika it is given samvada. Pratishravanam. So then samvada means prashnottarakhya samvada. Prativishayam shravanam. All Shravanas. A Tippanikar says, Tacha Shatavadhanadi Samaya Kriyamanam. When 100 people are talking, Tatashaha Vibhinna Vibhinna Vishayan Prati Shravanam. Hundreds of different Vishayas. Prati Shravanam. Sarvani Shravanani, Yavat Shravanani. Tad Dashayam iti Yavat. Dishastatra Adhidaivatam iti Shrutim Ashritya Aha. Disha is the Adhidaivata and Adhyatma is what is Adhyatma? If Disha is Adhidaivata,
Hearing.
Shrotra. Tama eva yasyayatanam hridayam loko. Ayatanam, that Anuswara has gone little above. So you make sure it's there in your book in the right place. Tama eva yasyayatanam hridayam loko mano jyotir yo vaitam purusham vidyat sarvasyatmanah parayanam savai vedita syat yagnivalkya vedava aham tam purusham सर्वस्यात्मनः परायणं यमात्थ य एवायं छायामयः पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवतेति मृत्युरिति होवाच. So everything is same. Tama is the ayatanam, hridayam lokah, mano jyotihi, and the one who knows that Purusha, sarvasya atmanah parayanam vidyat savai vedita syat. He is actual knower. Yagnavalkya, do you know that? He says, yes. Vedava aham tam purusham sarvasya atmanah parayanam yam atha. Yam tvam atha. The one about whom you spoke. Yah evayam chhayamayah purusha. He is the chhayamaya purusha. Chhayamaya means ajnanam. Saha esha vadaiva shakalya. आस्क मी मोर नाउ. तस्य का देवता इति मृत्युरिति होवाच. भाष्य. तम एव यस्य आयतनम. तम इति शार्वरादि अंधकारः परिगृह्यते. इ शार्वर अहंकार अंधकार डार्कनेस. अध्यात्मम छायामयो अज्ञानमयः पुरुषस्तस्य का देवता इति मृत्युरिति होवाच. छायामय इज अज्ञानमय पुरुष. हु इज द देवता? मृत्यु. मृत्यु अधिदैवतम तस्य निष्पत्ति कारणम. मृत्यु इज अधिदेवता. टीका. अधिदैवतम मृत्युरीश्वरो मृत्युना एव इदम आवृतम आसीद इति श्रुतेः. अधिदैवतम मृत्यु. दिस श्रुति is from Brahadaranyaka. Where did we see mrityuna eva idam avrutam asid? They have given 1 to 1. That is where Gata Bhashya came. सच तस्य अज्ञानमयस्य आध्यात्मिकस्य पुरुषस्य उत्पत्ति कारणम अविवेकी प्रवृत्तेर ईश्वर अधीनत्वात् ईश्वर प्रेरितो गच्छेत् स्वर्गम वा श्वभ्रमेव वा इति ही पठन्ति तदाह. सच तस्य अज्ञानमयस्य आध्यात्मिकस्य पुरुषस्य. of that आध्यात्मिक पुरुष उत्पत्ति कारणम अविवेकी प्रवृत्तेः. अविवेकी प्रवृत्ति ईश्वराधीनत्वात्. When viveka is not there, means when jnanam, that aham brahma is not there, he will be sent based on karma. Karma jnanam is there only to Ishvara. Therefore, aviveki pravritti is Ishvara adhina. Then Ishvara prerito gachet swargam. Ishvara means your karma phala will send you either to swarga or shwabram means naraka. This is what is said pathanti panditaha. Tadaha mrityuriti. Mrityu is the nishpatti karanam. Daivatam, devata means karana. Next. रूपाण्येव यस्यायतनं चक्षुर्लोको मनो ज्योतिर यो वैतं पुरुषं विद्यात् सर्वस्यात्मनः परायणं स वै वेदिता स्यात्. याज्ञवल्क्य वेद वा अहं तं पुरुषं सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणं यमात्थ य इज मिसिंग य एवायमादर्शे पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवतेत्यसुरिति होवाच. Rupani. Now here Rupani is Bhaswara Rupani. Not all Rupa, only the shining. That which is shining, that is taken. Bhaswara Rupani eva yasya ayatanam chakshur loko mano jyotir yo vaitam purusham vidyat. The one who knows that Purusha. He knows sarvasya atmanaha parayanam savai veditasya. He is the actual knower who knows in this way. Yajnavalkya, do you know it? He says, yes, I know it.
the one which you speak is Adarshe Purusha, that which is reflected in the mirror. Adarshe Purusha. Saha Esha Vadaiva Shakalya, there is more to be known. Ask about him. Tasya ka devata. Tasya means Tasya Purushasya. Adarsha Purushasya ka devata. He says Asuhu. Asu means prana. So we may wonder what is the connection. First he said all Bhaswara Rupa. Bhaswara Rupa means that which is bright. It can get reflected in the mirror. And then he says the Devata is prana. Means the Karanam is prana. And Shakalya is yes, everything is right. Rupani eva yasya ayatanam. When somebody says Rupani, you already discussed in Chakshu. This is Punarukti. Punaruktim pratyaha. There is no dosha. Tritiya paryaya was Rupa. This Rupa is Bhaswara Rupa. So first was Anna. Anna Rasa Purusha. Second was Kamamaya Purusha. Third was this Rupa, Chakshu, Chakshusha Purusha. Fourth one was Shrotra. Fifth one was Chayamaya. This is sixth one. Bhaswara Rupa. Purvam sadharanani rupani uktani. Ihatu prakashakani vishishtani rupani. Here only those rupa which are prakashaka, which have the ability to reflect. आधार शब्दो भाव प्रधानः भाव प्रधानस् तथा च प्रतिबिंबस्य आधारत्वं यत्र तत् इति उक्तं भवति. So you have to take Bahuvrihi Samasa. Basically what he has said is Pratibimbo Adhara Yasya Pratibimbasya Adharatvam. Adhara Shabda in the Bhashya. Rupayatanasya Devasya Vishesha Ayatanam Pratibimba Adharam. Pratibimba Adhara, no, not Bahuvrihi. Pratibimbasya Adharam. Adhara actually is Pullinga Shabda. Pratibimbasya Adhara. But Visheshayatanam, Pratibimba Adharo Yasya Visheshayatanasya Tat Visheshayatanam Pratibimba Adharam. So you have to take Bahuvrihi then. Because in Bahuvrihi alone there is Anya Pada Pradhanata. If Anya Pada is Napunsaklinga, then your Samasa has to be Napunsaklinga only. If we take Shashti, then how we can take? Shashti will be Uttar Pada Pradhana. So then, Adharam, if you take, it will be Napunsakling only if it is Visheshana for Ayatanam. Because Ayatanam is Napunsakling. So that in Tika, in Hindi Tika, that way they have given. प्रतिबिंब का आधार दर्पण आदि है. सो प्रतिबिंब आधार इज दर्पण. प्रतिबिंब से आधार.
प्रतिबिंबस्य आधारत्वम, दैट्स व्हाई आधार शब्दो भाव प्रधान. So in Tika and in Hindi also they have taken Shashti, but Adhara being Pullinga Shabda, you have to take it as Napunsaka based on the Visheshayatanam. Pratibhimbasya Adharam Adarshadi. Tasya ka devata iti. What is the devata of that? Asu. Asu means prana. Tika. Adi Shabdena Swachha Swabhavam Khadgadi Grihyate. Like Adarsha, Khadga also, a sword. Why Devata is the prana? It says, Pranena hi nigrishyamane darpanadau pratibimba abhivyakti yogyo rupa vishesho nishpatyate. When the Adarsha is rubbed nicely with prana, with balam, then it is worth for pratibimba. Pratibimba abhivyakti yogyo rupa vishesho nishpatyate. Tato yuktam pranasya pratibimba karanatvam, and therefore it is appropriate pranasya pratibimba karanatvam iti abhipratyaha. Tasya ka devata iti asuriti hovacha. Tasya pratibimbakyasya purushasya nishpatti rasoho pranat. Nishpatti hi asoho pranat panchami. Pratibimba is possible with the help of balam when it is rubbed nicely. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.